Hello, everyone. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast.
And I'm Anna. Hi, everyone. Today, we are talking about something very important and sometimes a little stressful.
Yes, very stressful. Today's topic is how to manage your time.
Oh, I need this episode already. I always feel like I don't have enough time.
Really? But you're always on time when we record.
That's because I run here in a panic.
That is not good time management. That is good running skills.
Exactly. So, James, what does manage your time mean?
Good question. To manage your time means to plan and control how you spend your hours every day. It means you decide what to do first, what to do later, and what maybe not to do at all.
So, it's not about having more time. It's about using the time we already have.
Perfectly said. We all have 24 hours in a day. Even famous people, even busy business owners, even students.
Even my neighbor who says I'm too busy but watches TV for 5 hours every night?
Especially your neighbor.
Oh, no.
Time management is important because it helps you feel less stressed. When you know what to do and when to do it, your brain feels calmer.
That makes sense. When I have many things to do and no plan, I feel nervous. I think, where do I start? What if I forget something?
Yes, that feeling is very common. So let's talk about some simple ways to manage your time better.
Great, I'm ready. I have my notebook. I feel like a good student today.
Step number 1, make a to-do list.
That sounds simple, but does it really work?
Yes, if you do it correctly. A to-do list is a list of things you need to do. For example, finish homework, send an email, clean your room, go to the gym.
I like writing things down. It makes the tasks feel more real.
Exactly. And when you finish a task, you can check it off.
That is my favorite part. Checking the box feels so good.
It gives you a small feeling of success. Your brain says, good job.
But sometimes my list is too long. Then I feel even more stressed.
That's a very important point. Don't make your list too big. Be realistic. If you have 10 hours of work, don't try to finish it in 3 hours.
So I should ask myself, how much time do I really have today?
Yes, and also, how much energy do I have? Because time and energy are different.
Oh, that's interesting. Can you explain?
Sure. Maybe you have free time at 10 p.m., but you are very tired. That is not good time for difficult tasks.
That's true. If I try to study English at midnight, I just read the same sentence 5 times.
And you still don't understand it.
Exactly.
So another tip is to do the most important task first.
Why first?
Because in the morning, most people have more energy and focus. If you finish the most important task early, the rest of the day feels easier.
So, for example, if I have an important project, I should do that before checking social media?
Yes, social media can wait. Your future is more important than cute cat videos.
But the cats are so cute.
I know. Time management is sometimes about being strong.
That's hard.
It is, but here is a helpful idea. Use the 25-minute rule.
What's that?
You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 times, you take a longer break, maybe 15 or 20 minutes.
That sounds nice. So I don't have to work for 3 hours without stopping?
No, short breaks help your brain rest. During the break, you can stand up, drink water, stretch your body.
Or check one cat video.
1, not 10.
Okay.
Another important idea is to avoid multitasking.
Wait, I thought multitasking was good, like cooking, talking on the phone, and answering messages at the same time?
That sounds like a disaster in the kitchen.
It happened once. The soup was very black.
Multitasking often makes you slower. When you change tasks again and again, your brain needs time to focus.
So it's better to do one thing at a time.
Yes, for example, if you are studying English, just study. Don't watch TV at the same time.
That explains why I don't remember anything when I study and watch a series.
Exactly. Focus gives better results in less time.
I like that. Less time, better results. Sounds magical.
It's not magic, it's discipline.
Oh, less magical, more responsible.
Now let's talk about something difficult, saying no.
Oh no, I don't like saying no. I feel rude.
Many people feel that way, but if you say yes to everything, you will have no time for your own priorities.
That's true. Sometimes my friends invite me out and I already have too much work, but I still go.
And then you feel stressed later.
Yes, I come home tired and worried.
So sometimes it's okay to say, I'm sorry, I can't today. I have something important to finish.
That sounds polite.
It is. Time management is also about protecting your time.
I never thought about it that way. Protecting your time like it's something valuable.
Because it is valuable. You can earn more money, but you cannot create more time.
Wow, that sounds deep.
Thank you. I practiced in front of the mirror.
I can imagine that.
Let's talk about planning your week.
Not just one day?
Yes, planning the week helps you see the big picture. For example, on Sunday evening, you can look at your calendar and ask, what do I need to do this week?
So I can see meetings, classes, deadlines?
Exactly. Then you can prepare. If you know you have a big test on Friday, you can study a little every day.
Instead of studying everything on Thursday night and crying.
Yes, less crying is always good.
So planning helps reduce stress.
Very much. And one more thing, remove distractions.
You mean like my phone?
Yes. When you work, maybe put your phone in another room or turn off notifications.
That sounds scary. What if someone sends me a funny meme?
You will survive.
I'm not sure.
Try it for 1 hour. You might be surprised how much you finish.
That's true. Sometimes I check my phone for 1 minute and suddenly 20 minutes are gone.
That happens to many people. Small distractions take a lot of time.
So let me see if I understand. Good time management means make a realistic to-do list, do important tasks first, focus on one thing, take short breaks, say no when necessary, and remove distractions.
Perfect summary. You're ready to teach this episode.
Maybe next time.
Before we finish, let's give a simple example. Imagine you are a student.
Okay.
I have homework, an English test, and I want to exercise. Bad time management is watch TV for 3 hours, then panic at night.
That sounds familiar.
Good time management is come home, rest for 30 minutes, do homework for 1 hour, take a short break, study English for 30 minutes, then relax.
That sounds much better, more balanced.
Yes, you still have time to relax, but you also finish your responsibilities.
I like that word, balanced. Not too much work, not too much rest.
Exactly. Life is not only about productivity, it's also about health and happiness.
So time management is not about being busy all the time.
No, it's about using your time in a smart way, so you have time for work, family, hobbies, and rest.
I feel motivated now.
Me too. After this episode, I will make my to-do list.
I will too, but first, maybe one small cat video.
5 minutes only.
Deal.
We hope today's conversation helped you understand how to manage your time better. Try 1 or 2 of these tips this week.
Yes, don't try to change everything in one day. Start small.
Small steps can create big results.
That's a nice sentence to remember.
And remember, time is limited. Use it wisely, but also enjoy it.
That's very important.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye, and see you next time. Bye-bye.